pelatih dari Port FC, Coach.
We knew they had a good team with good players, but we came here to win. And the first half, we were doing well. The first minutes, we were winning 2-0, but after, I think we switched off a little bit and we conceded 2 goals that we couldn't concede. But yeah, it happens, and now is correct these things and try to be better in the next games. The importance of this game is like for all the other games, the same importance. We will come all here to give our best, to get the 3 points, and try to go to the next stage. This is our mentality here. And yeah, it will be a pleasure to play against Persebaya in front of Boneca and Bonita. But again, we will come here to win. And like what said, we will check who is ready to play, who has the best condition to play, and we'll see. So far, so good. It has a lot of good players, so to adapt is very easy. They are good persons inside, outside the pitch. So my adaptation has been very, very good, and I hope I can improve my football with Port FC.
Oke, ada lagi teman-teman?